27 degrees.
Hi, my name is Gabrielle Fontaine. I'm a PhD student here at the University of Manitoba, and I won the Bioscience Association Manitoba Award back in 2022.
My name is Scott Dick, and I won the Most Promising Bioscience Student Award in 2017.
Let's make a circle on the carpet first. My name is Sheena Gurm. I won the Bioscience Association Manitoba Award for Graduate Studies in 2019.
Got our gloves on. My name is Daniel Kusakowski, and I'm the 2023 Most Promising Bioscience Student of the Year.
Good morning, friends. I am a kindergarten teacher at Amber Trails Community School in the Punjabi bilingual program. How do we say Wednesday in Punjabi? Good job. Can everybody say Budhwar? Good. I did my Bachelor of Science degree at University of Winnipeg, and it was a 4 years honors degree. Then I did my Master's of Science degree also at the University of Winnipeg. And after that, I started my PhD. However, I never yet finished my PhD, but I hope to finish it, go back and finish it soon.
I'm a PhD student in the McKenna Lab. I'm in my 4th year of my PhD. So we primarily look at RNA and protein interactions in human disease states. Most commonly, we're looking at a specific class of RNA called non-coding RNA.
This is the second prototype. I'm a PhD student here at the University of Manitoba. I've just entered my 2nd year as a PhD student, and my research is a continuation of my master's thesis where I developed our first prototype of a portable microwave system used for early breast cancer detection, specifically in low-income and remote areas.
I currently work at Medicure. Medicure is a pharmaceutical company which focuses on the development and commercialization of pharmaceutical products for the US market. At Medicure, I am the marketing director currently. I joined Medicure in 2018 as a medical science liaison, and over time I've transitioned into this marketing role that I am in today.
This one? When I won the award, I felt very proud. It was very inspiring and motivating, and it was kind of like an affirmation for all the hard work that was put in.
You pour it all the way. It kind of puts you on the map. A year ago, I didn't see myself as someone that could, talk to all these different industry partners, all these CEOs and CSOs, but now I feel like I'm a part of that community, and that's been really meaningful to me.
I was really proud of the award at the time. It was quite a competitive award, and it was a great honor to be picked.
When I got the call that I won the award, it was actually 1 month after my dad had passed away. So at that moment, I hadn't even left my house in a month, and I remember receiving that call, and for me, it was honestly such a big accomplishment. It pulled me out of my slump a little bit.
The award really strengthened my resume, I believe, and when I had applied for further education, so I went into the Bachelor of Education program at U of W. At that time, the award helped me get more scholarships and pay a lot for my university degree at that time.
I think the biggest opportunity this award allowed for me was to network with a group that I hadn't been introduced to during grad school. What I think the biggest opportunity for myself was to be introduced to this new network that I didn't know existed.
We use a loading die. Right after I won the award last year, I started speaking with BAM to try to bridge that gap between industry and academia. So for the last year, we've actually been doing quite a few events. Some include having a panel of industry members come to the department, talk about their history and how they got to the position they are now. We also had a few different professional development workshops that have been really appreciated by the students here.
It really helps me pave the path to know that I'm not just enclosed to physics. I'm open to a broader community of bioscience, of medicine, looking at First Nation communities. So it's allowed me to go to different gatherings here around Canada.
Put it on. Staying and working in Manitoba has been very helpful for me personally because I get to stay close to family and those relationships keep blooming. It's also an opportunity to keep collaborating with my colleagues from grad school.
So this is the ideal case. For me, my community, my people, I'm from Seguin First Nation, they're from Manitoba, and I want to stay near my people, near my family. And especially with something like this device that is specifically, for me, resonates with my people, the need for breast cancer screening for remote and northern communities.
Manitoba is a huge province, but despite that, I think it feels really tight-knit. The community cares about each other.
Place it down. As I'm finishing my PhD this year, I'm trying to get into the industry, especially here in Manitoba. And what I've been trying to do is, with a professor that's in my committee, we're trying to start a company. So I'm hoping that in the near future we'll be able to start up, and I'm hoping to share more information about that soon.
As an advice, just be resilient. It's gonna be hard. You are gonna face lots of failures, but stay put, stay together, keep going, put in the hard work, and you will be successful.
So one of the biggest pieces of advice I would give for a new graduate student, if they're coming to the bioscience field, is really just take advantage of any opportunity that's given to you. If you see a professional development workshop that you're like, maybe I'll need that in 2-3 years, maybe do it today.
My advice would be to connect and engage with the community. It's one thing to just do your research and get your analysis, get your data, but it's another thing to actually go out and engage with those in the scientific community. So going to conferences, going to gatherings where you can network with other people, you can learn from others.
What I would suggest to a new grad student is, when you're looking to move from academia to industry, try and pick a company with that same mindset. You want to pick a company that has big goals, has big dreams, that wants to grow, and that's willing to invest in your future. And if you can find that, that's a winning formula to help grow your career.